This morning, Prince Charles and his wife Camilla self-isolating at home in Scotland after the 71-year-old heir to the British throne tested positive for COVID-19. In a statement, Clarence House says he otherwise remains in good health. But the Prince of Wales has met hundreds of people in recent weeks. The statement says it is not possible to ascertain from whom the prince caught the virus, owing to the high number of engagements in recent weeks. On March 9th, Commonwealth Day, he saw the whole family, and now confirmation that a flag bearer present that day has tested positive. Then on March 10th, here with Prince Albert of Monaco, who has also tested positive for COVID-19. Prince Charles last saw his mother, the 93-year-old monarch, on March 12th. And like her son, the Queen has also had a very busy few weeks with a lot of handshaking. Now, with 98-year-old Prince Philip, she's hunkered down at Windsor Castle with a skeleton staff. Yesterday, she even held her weekly audience with Prime Minister Boris Johnson on the phone at a safe social distance. Meanwhile, as the news broke, video resurfaced showing Prince William joking about coronavirus just 2 weeks ago.
And then everyone's like, I'm not coronavirus, I'm dying. I'm like, no, it's just quite dramatic.
Prince William has since changed his tune. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge mostly out in the countryside with their 3 kids, but visiting NHS staff earlier this week, thanking them for pulling together for the common good.
I'm grateful that the National Emergencies Trust exists. It will ensure the support reaches those across the UK.
While Harry and Meghan are at their new home, they last saw Prince Charles on Commonwealth Day, also doing their part on Instagram, urging compassion to their 11.3 million followers.